Your AI coding assistant has a habit. Ask it to install some trending tool it's never seen, and instead of admitting it doesn't know, it confidently makes up a package name. Usually that's a harmless dead end. But what if an attacker figured out exactly which fake name your AI invents and registered it first? You ask for the real tool. Your AI grabs the attackers. Nobody hacked the AI. They just got there first. It's called HalluSquatting. It chains two AI quirks you already know. Quirk 1, hallucination. The model inventing something and presenting it as real. Quirk 2, prompt injection. Booby-trapped instructions hidden inside content the AI reads, which hijack it into following the attacker instead of you. Neither is new. Bolt them together and you get something genuinely nasty. A fake name the AI predictably invents, waiting at a real address, packed with instructions the agent will obey. The recipe is 4 steps. Pick a target that's trending because a brand new resource isn't in the AI's training data, which is exactly when the model starts guessing at names. Learn the mistake. Ask an AI to fetch that thing over and over and record the fake name it invents most. Claim it. Register that name on GitHub or a plugin store and hide your adversarial instructions inside. Then wait. A real user asks for the popular tool, their assistant invents the same wrong name and pulls your version instead. The reason this is practical and not just cute, the fake names aren't random. Across different phrasings and across models from different companies, the assistant reached for the same wrong name up to 85% of the time on repository requests and 100% of the time on skill installs. Those are peak rates, but consistency is the point. The attacker guesses the hallucination once and it works on everyone's AI. They tested Cursor, Windsurf, GitHub Copilot, Klein, Gemini CLI, and OpenClaw and got each one to run their code. Credit and caveat. This is research from Iaspira and colleagues in Ben Nassi's group at Tel Aviv University, with co-authors at Technion and Intuit, the same crew that built a self-spreading AI email worm and a calendar invite that hijacked Gemini. The honest part, their test payloads were harmless placeholders, not real malware. Nobody's running a live HalluSquatting botnet that we know of, but they proved the delivery path end to end, and a real payload takes the same road. And this didn't come from nowhere. Attackers first learned to register fake package names AIs invent, that's slop squatting. One made-up NPM package, React CodeShift, had already spread into 237 real projects before a researcher grabbed it to keep it safe. Then it jumped to web addresses. Palo Alto's Unit 42 found about 250,000 hallucinated domains sitting free for the taking. And the marketplaces meant to catch this. Trail of bits slipped malicious skills past several store scanners in under an hour. HalluSquatting is just the version that reaches all the way to running code on your machine. Fix is almost annoyingly simple. Make the assistant search before it fetches. A real lookup grounds the agent in what actually exists and kills most of the guessing, and that's a job for the people building these tools. For everyone else, the near-term lever, these agents ask before running commands by default. The danger is the auto-run modes, the skip permissions flags, and YOLO modes that turn that off. So the one rule tonight, never let an agent run unattended on something it just fetched off the internet. An AI that makes up a name, and an attacker waiting at that name. That's the whole trick. If you want the next one of these decoded before it hits your terminal, subscribe. New breakdowns every week. Hit subscribe.